Hello, year two. I hope you are all fine and ready for another lesson of ICT. Yes, last week it was a little bit difficult because we tried to do some coding, and some of you had iPads, other tablets, other um, desktop, a laptop, a Mac computer, and then some of you could see things that are different than things that I could see. So it was a big confusion, and Miss Ada said, better stop this. And we are going to have different lessons. And when you are back to school, we are going to do the code. This way, nobody needs to get stressed. Yeah? So, we talked a little bit about having technology all around us and that technology is helping us with lots of things. And today we are going to talk about what is technology and what is information technology. What is the difference between technology and information technology? So if you have some siblings, a brother or a sister that is in year one, they are going to study about what is technology and what is not technology. And maybe you can help them understand better, or maybe they can help you understand better. Who knows? Okay, so Ms. Ada is going to open our presentation here, and I'm going to share with you. Yes, let's start our presentation. Okay, so information technology around us. So we are going to see about information technology in the school and also other places, how technology can improve our worlds, and how we should use technology in a responsible way. So what is information technology? So what kind of computers have you used or seen in your house? I'm sure you have seen your mama and your baba, or even yourself, using a mobile phone, a smartphone. And believe me or not, it is small, but it is a computer. So you have seen a computer when you use a mobile phone. And all these are also devices that have computers inside. A desktop, a laptop, a tablet, or an iPad. I'm sure you have seen these before in your house or in other places, even on going shopping. Now, what are they similar? What is the same about a tablet, a desktop, and a notebook or a laptop? Can you think of what is the similar? Okay, I will give you some time to think. Aha. One thing is that they all have screens. You can see things on the screen. Well done. They help us to do calculations. It help us to type things like a laptop and a desktop. They have keyboards. But an iPad or a tablet, they have a keyboard, but it is a touch keyboard. Yes, so a little bit different. It's a on-screen keyboard. So even if they are all computers, there are things that are similar and there are things that are different. What is the big difference between a laptop and a tablet, for example, or a smartphone? Did you think? Can you guess? It's much easy to carry, yeah? Much easy to carry a smartphone and a tablet than to carry a laptop. Even a desktop is even harder to carry. So there are things that are similar and things that are different, even though they are all computers. Now, what do we need computers for? Why do we need computers for? Can you give me some examples, some idea? I'll give you some time to think about. I can use a computer to search for information. Well done. I can use a computer to post pictures. That's a very good idea. I can use a computer to send messages or receive messages, and many more. And I'd say that the boys are going to say that we can use a computer to play video games, which is also true. And some girls also like to play video games, I know. But are these computers? No, what are all these? It's different, like we have a tree, we have some flowers, we have some fruits. Although they are a little bit different, they are all plants. Like computers, the same, like we can have a tablet, we can have a laptop, you can have a desktop. They are different, but they are all computers. Here in nature, we also have things that are different, but they are all parts of a big group called plants. And these, a zebra, a fish, an elephant, what are they? They are all animals. They are different kind of animals, big, smaller, go only in the water, but they are all animals. And so they have some similarities because they are animals, but they are completely different than these because they are computers. Now, there is another big difference between trees and plants in general and animals and computers. Computers, laptop, and a desktop, they are made by whom? Who can make them? Who can create them? Yes, they are created by man to help us do things. But animals and plants, only God can make them. Yes, they are part of nature. They help us survive. They help us with food. They help us with beauty. But it's not something that man made. It's something that we have in nature, like the animals. And technology are things that man made. So, if it's man-made, can I say that pencil sharpener is technology? Can I say that a scissors is technology? Can I say that a pencil is technology? They are not computers. They are not computers, but they are technology, right? That's true. So they are technology because they are all made by man to help us do something. But what about these? Are these all technology? Yes, but are all these computers? What is this? A digital camera. What is this? A USB drive. What is this? A smart board. And this? A printer. Are they computers? No, but they need a computer to operate. They need a computer to work together with a computer. So when things need to be connected to a kind of computer, they are called information technology. Now, like when we say a pencil is technology and a pencil sharpener technology, scissors technology, but they are not information technology like a printer or a tablet or a USB driver. So some of these are not computers, but they are information technology. All right, so all of these, they are either computers, they either have a computer inside, or they need to work with a computer. Now, in this picture here, in this slide here, which is not information technology. It can be technology, but not information technology. What do you think? Which ones? The paint, the telephone, the joystick, the player, the pen, the washing machine. Which two is not information technology? Aha! If you said paint and pen, you got it right. Aha, because technology is anything made by man to help us, but information technology are things that need computers to work, or they have computers inside of them. Well done. So I think now you can tell me what information technology is, don't you? So in your activity, when you finish the video, you are going to print. You don't even need to print the worksheet. If you don't have a printer, if you don't want to waste your ink, you can just write on a paper, information technology, not information technology. And then in your house, for example, you have the refrigerator. The refrigerator has some kind of computer inside because it has some numbers. So that is information technology because it needs a tiny little computer to work. But for example, if you have your glasses that help you see better, or sunglasses that protect you from the sun, that is not information technology. It is technology because man invented it, and it's done to a purpose, but it's not information technology because there is no computer here in this pair of glasses. Okay, so this is your lesson for this week, and I hope you like it very much. So see you next week. Ma salama.